Mustafa Dading, and now let's discuss the technology as a way of revealing. The human condition before Common Era, our early ancestors' primal need to survive paved the way of the invention of a several development. This said with brains more advanced than other creators, humans are able to utilize abundant materials for their own aid and comfort. So in this picture, we can see that how simple the way of living the people before Common Era. People who live in the past and people who live in the present all have different views on what it means to flourish. Homo erectus have been using fire to cook. During the advent of our own Homo sapiens and humans began to sharpen stone as one would a knife. An example of this is a simple machine called wedge. So in this particular period proved to be difficult for our ancestors but in remarkable distinct ways. The human condition in the Common Era, for a long time, humans were content with their relationship with nature. Earliest case of a man-made extinction occurred over 12 years ago, possibly brought upon by hunting and territorial disputes. The humans were quick to find a way to derive of other prospective hunting spots and eventually sitting ground. Position-wise, the humans of today are much better off compared to the humans several centuries ago. Advancement in medicine, technology, health, and education ushered in a humanity's best yet. First, the mortality rate. Due to technology, lesser women and children die during birth. The second are the average lifespan. Aside from the reason that people engage less in combat and are less likely to die in treatable disease now as opposed to then, science are able to prolong life by enhancing living status and discovering different remedies to most disease. The third is the literacy rate. Access to education provided to more individuals generally creates a more informed public that could determine a more just society. Fourth is the gross domestic product, or it is a GDP, used to determine the value of countries, goods and services produced within the territory given a certain time period. The essence of technology. One philosopher by the name of Martin Heidegger argued that its essence or purpose and being are different from each other. He was able to expound on this point upon identifying that technology can either be perceived as first a means to achieve man's end, and the second that which constitute human activity. Backtracking the human condition, technology's initial promises proved to be true, regardless of its ramifications. All in all, the human condition improved. Only if by improving, we measure the level of comfort, various scientific breakthroughs, and improved lifestyle of those who had the luxury to afford to do so. Different machineries aid in prolonging lives, assisting those who with disabilities, finding efficiency in industrial workplaces, and even exploring the universe for place we can thrive once all the Earth's resources are depleted.